Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in the video how to start wall putty manufacturing business. Wall putty, it is also known as cement paint or powder paint. Nowadays, many buildings ranging from small buildings to large buildings are being constructed all over our country. And this wall putty or cement paint is used by the general public in his private home, as well as in buildings built for commercial purposes, and is used for almost all buildings today. With the help of wall putty, the walls are painted and its softness enhances the beauty of the walls. Wall putty provide protection to the walls of the house from various types of weather such as cold, heat, rain and humidity. Apart from this, stop the water from escaping from the place where water drips on the roof and cover hard surfaces to make the walls more attractive. And the wall putty used protects the wall from fungus and bacteria. The demand for this wall putty has grown significantly as a result of recent corporate usage. So, starting the wall putty manufacturing business can prove to be a lucrative business for today. Here in this video, we provide you with information on how to start a wall putty manufacturing business. Market potential of wall putty. Wall putty has high safety, decorative, beautification and durability properties, so it is widely used on almost all types of cemented masonry surfaces such as bungalows, multi-story buildings, bridges, dams, government buildings, schools and more. Our country is very big and millions of houses, buildings are built here every day. In such a situation, the demand for wall putty increases very quickly in all areas, because everyone wants their home, office or building to look good, and for these people use wall putty. In such a situation, the demand prospects in the present and in the future days will be very good. And the main reason for this is that the cost of wall putty is low and leaves a good impression on buildings at a low cost. Registration and license for the wall putty manufacturing business. Registration and license are very important for any business. First of all, the entrepreneur should give a legal form to his business. For this he can register his business as a proprietorship without much formalities. Apart from providing the statutory form, the entrepreneur may also require tax registration and GST registration. Apart from this, factory license or trade license may also be required from the local authority like municipal corporation. And the wall putty is also used on a large scale in various government sectors and departments, so the government is also a big buyer of it. Therefore, the entrepreneur may also need to register his business with Udyog Aadhar and MSME. If the entrepreneur is starting this business by establishing his own brand, then trademark registration may also be required to protect the brand. Location for wall putty manufacturing business. For setting up a wall putty manufacturing unit, the entrepreneur needs to ensure separate space for different activities. This may require ensuring space for inventory, space for workshop or manufacturing area, space for power supply utilities, space for generator setup, and more. Apart from all this, the entrepreneur may also need to set up a small office in the factory premises. Therefore, for all this, the entrepreneur has to be 800 to 1000 square feet space may be required. As far as the location for this business is concerned, the entrepreneur can take this place at any location where basic facilities like good roads, electricity, water, availability of employees are available. Investment for the wall putty manufacturing business. How much you need to invest in this business may be more or less depending on the size of the business you are starting. That is, the amount of investment depends on all the raw materials and machinery, and the amount of rent, land, space, electricity bill and water bill, or the size at which you start your business. Also, according to an average estimate, in the wall putty manufacturing business, you may have to invest around rupees 7 lakh to 12 lakh in the beginning. If you do not have such a big amount, then you can also take a business loan from banks. Raw material for the wall putty manufacturing business. The following list of raw materials used in the wall putty manufacturing business. Silica aggregate, pigments, zinc sulfate, calcium carbonate, white cement, hydrated lime, waterproof material and packaging materials. You can buy the all raw materials from your local market or you can buy online through IndiaMart website. Machinery for wall putty making business. List of some of the major machinery and equipment used are given below. Mild street ball mill with motor and other equipments, edge runner with reduction gear and other accessories, platform type weight measuring machine, chemical testing table and testing laboratory equipment, balance counter scale with measuring capacity up to 10 kilograms, fire extinguisher, dry powder mixer and other hand tools. Manufacturing process for wall putty. The wall putty is usually made using a binder, pigment and solvent. Major chemicals such as titanium oxide, blue phthalocyanine, green phthalocyanine, carbon black and red oxide are used as pigment in the wall putty, while white cement or 33 grade Portland cement is used as a border. Dairy mills and edge runners are used in the production of this product. In making wall putty, this is the most important process. All binders and pigments are charged according to the dispersing agent in the ball mill and operated until the desired grinding wheel is obtained and the desired product is produced. In the wall putty manufacturing process, the grinded material is taken to the edge runner machine with the help of the remaining binder and then grinded to form a normal mixture. After the mixture is ready, fungicides and other essential chemicals are added to the mixture to keep the pest for a long time. After this, its sand fit is made according to the customer's requirement. After, its quality is checked and then packed and sent to the market for sale. Marketing for the wall putty business. Before making the wall putty, do your marketing research and set up the factory so you will not face of loss. There are many ways to do marketing for the wall putty. You can advertise your product and distribute it among the people. You can do things like visiting card. By doing this you can grow your business. Nowadays, you can also advertise your wall putty on social media sites. The more rich customers your company has, the more sales there will be. You all have to focus on marketing. It is very difficult to run a plant without marketing. No matter how good the product is, it is very difficult to make a profit without marketing it. Profits in wall putty manufacturing business. There are huge profits in the wall putty business because its demand is increasing day by day and will continue to grow. The higher the demand for the product, the higher the profit. If you sell with a good profit margin, you can easily earn 2 to 3 lakhs per month. Profit always depends on the marketing and sale of goods. If you do good marketing and sales, you can make a lot of profit. Important points for success the business. Staff and quality experienced and skilled workers may be required to manufacture wall putty from above mentioned machinery, equipment and raw material. And good quality engineers may also be required to produce and maintain good quality wall putty or cement paint. Apart from this, workers may also be required to transport the material from one workstation to another. And also skilled workforce may be required for managing the workload and documents of the office. Thus, to start this type of business, the entrepreneur may need 7 to 10 employees. As far as the quality of this product is concerned, the entrepreneur needs to maintain its quality as per the choice and requirement of the customers. We hope in this wall putty manufacturing business video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching friends. For more business ideas, find in our channel video playlist. And subscribe to new business ideas.